AI side hustles are blowing up, and I'm not just talking about ChatGPT prompts, I'm talking about actual AI side hustles that can earn you over $10,000 per month. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 AI side hustles that can make you rich. And guess what? I'll be testing some of them out myself, so if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos. I'll also give you real examples and the exact AI tools you would need in order to get started. Let's dive right into today's video. Number 1 is an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. If your goal is to make money online seamlessly without showing your face, then AI has made it super easy for you to do so. The first thing that you want to do is to choose a niche. The niches that are doing well in this type of space right now are like motivation, fitness, finance, and also tech related stuff and AI related stuff. So you want to choose a niche and focus on creating a script, voiceover, and also animations for that. Now the tools that you want to use in order to do this is ChatGPT and Gemini for your scripting, Eleven Labs and Murph AI for realistic voiceovers. Next, using a tool like Pictory for your visuals and Synthesia for your video edits. With all of these AI tools, you'll be able to create a seamless video for your YouTube automation channel. Some of them are free and others have premium features, but either way, starting an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel is one of those channels that is able to make thousands of dollars online per month. And here's a quick example. Channels like AI Evolution and Tech Visions are making an upwards of $20,000 per month in ad revenues, and there's potential to make more if they include affiliate links in their descriptions. So either way, starting a faceless YouTube automation channel is definitely a win-win and has the potential to make you thousands of dollars per month. Number 2 is an AI-powered print-on-demand store. People are selling t-shirts, mugs, and posters, all with generating designs using AI, and they're making an upwards of $15,000 per month. And all they had to do was to go to a website like Midjourney, create a free account, and insert a few prompts of the images that they want, upload them, and sell them on their t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You can also consider using DALL-E 3, which will give you more premium AI images that you can upload and sell on those items. Once they have those AI artwork generated, they use a platform like Redbubble, which is a print-on-demand website where you can put all your AI images on and sell them out. You don't need to handle any inventory or any shipping. You can also consider setting up your own Etsy store and integrating it with Printify, which will help you to also distribute your print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand isn't something new, but with the power of AI, you're able to do so much more when it comes on to creating AI artwork to put on these items. All you have to do is focus on impressive designs that are clickable and will be able to make money on a monthly basis. Number 3 AI side hustle is an AI ghostwriter and content creation. Now here's the thing, a lot of people online are trying to make their next memoir or even create an ebook. The purpose for a ghostwriter is to make sure that they're maintaining a certain type of tone and also language of the original author. When you're using AI to do this, you have to ensure that you're putting in the right prompts in order to achieve this result. There are 2 free tools that you can use in order to do this side hustle. The first one is ChatGPT. Inserting the right prompt will help you to create a draft and guideline. Next is using Grammarly to polish your content so that there's no type of punctuation error or grammatical error within your content. In order to start making money with this type of AI skills, you can try out a site like Fiverr. They usually have a lot of buyers coming to the platform for ghostwriters. You can also look into using LinkedIn and networking with CEOs that are looking for people to do ghostwriting for their next book or memoir. Number 4 is creating an AI course. Now there are many people that haven't started using AI yet, and for the ones that want to actually know how to use AI to make money online, this can be a good opportunity for you that has the knowledge already to create an ebook or a course that goes through the exact step that they need to take in order to get to that avenue. Now, if you are someone that is looking for that, I'm going to also leave a link in the description below where you can get access to a step-by-step AI blueprint to help you make money online. And I'm going to be sharing different examples of how you can do this. But if you're someone that already has AI skills, you can actually create a course that will teach others how to make money using AI. Because the thing is, knowledge is power, and if you understand how to do something already that can benefit other people to make more money, they will pay you for that knowledge. The first thing that you want to do is to use ChatGPT to take out some of the content writing for you by asking the AI to create a specific format that you would want in order to fill in the gaps. The next thing that you want to do is to create your course in a video format. But if you don't want to sit for an hour in front of a Loom video, what you can do is to use a powerful AI tool like Synthesia that will give you talking head videos. The AI platform will allow you to choose the avatar that you want, and they will put together the clips for you based on the script that you got from ChatGPT. How simple is that? This is the power of AI and creating a course that will be done in a couple of minutes rather than spending days putting together your course. So it's all about using AI to work more tenaciously than actually sitting down and working super hard for hours and burning a lot of time. Here's an example of a video course that you can create. You can create a video course educating companies on how to use AI, or you can also create a niche target AI course where it's geared towards real estate using AI in order to get more listings and also to close more deals. Number 5 is an AI-powered stock photography design, and with this side hustle, you'll be selling your artwork on Shutterstock and also Adobe Stock. There are many businesses that are looking for unique images, and this would be a great opportunity for you to display that and earn royalties. The top earners on Adobe Stock and Shutterstock are earning anywhere between $2,000 and $12,000 per month. Number 6 is an AI-powered thumbnail creator. Now, there are many people that are looking for thumbnail, and if you look on sites like Fiverr, you will see that there are multiple sellers with a lot of orders in their queue because YouTube video creation is something that is taking over, and many people don't really like to create thumbnails. They would prefer someone with the expertise to do that for them. Now, the great news is Opus Clips is one of those platforms that is seamlessly able to create thumbnails. All you have to do is create a free account on Opus Clips, and you can insert the link to the video that you want to do the thumbnail for, and they will generate the best thumbnail for you. It is as easy as that. If you're someone that's trying to do a quick AI side hustle and you're looking to make some extra money online, this is also great because you can get into understanding how thumbnails are formatted. So that means you can generate others for clients that might be interested in this type of service. Number 7 is an AI-driven social media automation, and this is one of the highest paying side hustles right now that's making back online. And the thing about being a creator is that you have to show up every single day, regardless of getting 0 views, 0 likes. Now, the ultimate game changer for content creators are creating their calendars, ensuring that their posts are scheduled on a daily basis. And the part that a lot of creators hate is to actually sit down and create that calendar, schedule those posts, and they will pay you to use AI in order to do that for them. Now, the beauty about this is that you won't need to spend hours doing this because you're going to use the platforms that will be able to create a full-blown calendar with different topics for posting and also different ideas that you can generate. The thing about an AI-powered driven social media automation is that you can easily use ChatGPT with the best prompt in order to create these type of calendars. Another tool that you can use is buffer to schedule all the social media posts on a day-to-day basis. Doing this for content creators will be super beneficial for them because most of them don't actually like to create those types of schedules, and they want to make sure that their content is being published every single day. So having you as someone that will be able to create everything using AI is definitely a win-win. Those were the 7 AI-powered side hustles that can make you thousands of dollars per month. You can also check the link in my description below where you can find the blueprint to AI-powered businesses that you can start and examples of proven businesses that have worked and are making thousands online per month. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up also. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.